Dun, dun, dun. Hey guys, and now we go outside to have a very simple camera test about the Vivo X Fold3 Pro and the new generation foldable device from Vivo. And here's the device, and compared to the last generation, the dimensions and the weight all improved, and now it's more friendly. It's become slim and also light compared to the last generation. Just 236 grams weight, and for the basic edition just 219 grams, so it's much lighter than last generation. And here we can check basic information about this device. It's inside and outside, 120 Hz refresh rate, and inside 8.03 inch display resolution 2480 by 2020 and outside 6.53 inch display resolution 2748 and 1112.2, and both supported the ultrasonic on-screen fingerprint, and it also used the flagship processor Snapdragon 8 Generation 3, and also the original OS, the latest OS from Vivo, and the Vivo X Fold3 improved on the charger and the battery, and this time to have a 5700 batteries with 100 watt capable fast charging and 50 watt wireless fast charging. Note it's powered by Android 14. And for the inside screen, it supports TPO, dynamic refresh rate, and PWM bright adjustment. Note both inside and out screen are more durability. It's a new technology to use, and also it's world's first smartphone that passes the SGS Foldable anti-shake certificate. I really like this black color and matted heating devices. So next we can go to the camera test. Vivo X Fold3 Pro houses a 50 megapixel super big film sensor, mid sensor, and a 64 megapixel long focus, and also a 50 megapixel wide angle. And for the main camera, it's the OV50H sensor. Equivalent focus length 22 mm, and sensor size 1-1.3 inch, and it's about OIS anti-shake, and also work together with Vivo developed the VCS Bionic technology. And compared to the last generation, for the inlet brightness 80% improved. Yes, we check the zoom performance and the rear camera. The front camera is 32 megapixel, and the triple rear camera system. For the long focus lens is OV64B sensor, and it's equivalent focus length 70 mm. The sensor size 1-2 inch, support 3 times optical zoom performance. It's same like the Vivo X100 Pro, but this time the Vivo X Fold3 also houses the nice image engine, and if it works together with AI, it can improve the camera quality and the details of the images of the photos. And this details provide the landscape and architecture mode for the users to choose. Yep. I will put the sample photos at the end of the video, and now let's try to test the foldable screen. And compared to last generation, the new one can stay at any angle you place, but for the X Fold2, you cannot choose the angles. It's stay, so it's more convenient. And all this time the dimensions, the length, width, thickness are a bit a bit thin and slim compared to the last generation. It's more light, as I mentioned. And for this device, it supports LPDDR5X and UFS 4.0, and also the Snapdragon 8th generation processor, as I mentioned. And for the Antutu, it can easily get 2.1 million, and for the GPU, you can also get 870 million. Storage is 0.87 million. Here are some pictures we took, and you can enjoy it. So the pictures are very original, and when we take from long distance, we can also find the details easily. Okay, so this is today's very quick and simple camera test video about the Vivo X Fold3 Pro. Thanks for watching. Let's stay tuned, waiting for more cool gadgets from here. Bye bye.